Dang, the power went out here just as we were about to do this unboxing, so we're going to open up this headlamp and I'll try doing the video from this emergency headlamp from Petzl. So let's go on ahead with the unboxing. Alright, so I've got the headlamp for a little bit of light here. Now I gotta find a knife somewhere. Okay, here's a Spyderco, we can use that. So it looks like we got something else from JSBurlys, you know, the EDC forum. Let's see what we got this time. It's like second wrapper. Oh, good a light. This is from their shop. It's a 12-volt light, I guess, but it's LED. So you stick this in your cigarette lighter and it charges all the time. And then when you need it, you've got it as a light. Oh, looks like it was already charged up. Why don't I go ahead and turn off this headlamp then? And we'll just do the rest of the video with this LED spotlight for the car. That's pretty handy. Oh, another one of these otter boxes. These are under 20 bucks and they're decent size, obviously well made, waterproof. And the last one came in and lasted about 20 minutes before it was grabbed, so I needed to order a second one. Anything else in here? Oh yeah, there is. Oh, a Spyderco, huh? Let's see which one we've got here. Oop, the light fell on the floor. Damn it. Oh. Isn't that handy? So there we go. The Spyderco Manix 2 EDC edition. Pretty good view of the skeletonized liners there. Now this isn't that pre-production one. This is an actual one that was sold to the members of the forum. Alright, there's that light. You get a better look there. There's the EDC forum logo. Of course, next to the Spyderco logo, we know that it's S30V. And then the cool part about some of these custom ones, Golden, Colorado, USA, Earth. Great stuff. And I really like this Manix locking system. Of course, I'm doing it left-handed here. Let's switch hands. Easy to close, easy to open. Great knife. So thanks to EDC forum, thanks to JSBurlys, and of course thanks to Spyderco. Thanks for watching.